I'm creating these beautiful glass candle holders. If you'd like to see how I made them, please keep watching. Welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? Today I want to create some unique candle holders. I'm using a glass and a candle holder from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take them outside and I'm going to spray paint the inside of the glass with this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Satin Leafy Green paint. I changed my mind. I did have this spray painted silver, and then I decided that I didn't want silver, that I wanted it clear. I knew that I wanted my signature color in my living room to be on the inside of this, which is sage green. I took this lid off of a Dollar Tree jar that I had, and I spray painted the inside silver, and then I'm going to also glue a mirror on the inside. And of course, you guys know I got to do some type of bling. So I'm taking this self-adhesive ribbon that I got from Amazon, and I am going to put it around the edge. And I'm so lucky that it's the perfect size. And I'm just going around the rim of this. I like how that looks around there, guys. And I'm just going to put this right on here. And I don't know why I'm putting it in the center like that. Guys, I don't know. Now I'm going to take this and put it upside down on here. And I'm going to let this dry. And come back with the reveal. Here's the reveal. I added some round glass candle holders with some Dollar Tree candles, and I also added some acrylic rocks around the candles. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please continue to come back, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more videos coming up very soon. Have a blessed day.